Season is over. It's time for an expert check. High performance at low grain losses comes from perfect preparation. The threshing cylinder drive is checked for easy speed adjustment. Augers and elevators are inspected to ensure top grain quality. Yield and moisture sensor functionality is verified. Following up to 130 checkpoints, I use factory-updated checklists and field data from previous seasons. The inspection covers all functional areas critical to uptime, performance and safety. This checklist is exclusive to us as service technicians. The feeder house adjustment is checked for correct adjustment, and the unloading auger drive is inspected to ensure gentle yet efficient threshing and unloading. The chopper drive, bearings and rotor are also checked to ensure the best chopping performance. Your threshing performance is directly tied to the rust bar profile height. When it gets below 6 mm, your grain quality is going to suffer. To finish, I check the state of feeding components, the drive chain, sprockets and slip clutch for the best header performance. My experience helps me with that. The result is a report with a comprehensive overview of your combine status and needs, complete with my expert advice on the latest field kits and attachments available to get the most out of your machine.